Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for in-depth reviews on everything you buy online. Today, we're diving into a product that might seem simple, but plays a crucial role in protecting your tech investment. The Amazon Basics Waterproof Outdoor TV Cover for 52 inches to 55 inches flat-screen TVs. If you've got a TV hanging outside, this might just be the armor it needs. Let's get into it. This is the black 52 to 55 inch version, but make no mistake, it's not a one-size-fits-all gimmick. The dimensions are precise, coming in at 51.7 inches long, 5.4 inches wide, and 31 inches high. So, it's best to measure your TV before you hit that buy now button. Now, let's talk materials. This cover is made from durable polyester and features a waterproof PVC coating. That's a solid combo. Polyester brings the strength and flexibility, while the PVC layer ensures full water resistance. Whether it's rain, dust, snow, or bird droppings, your TV stays protected year-round. The design is pretty minimalistic. No extra logos or distracting patterns. It's black, sleek, and does its job without calling attention to itself. Think of it as a simple but effective jacket for your television. One thing we noticed is the stitching. It's tight and reinforced, which is exactly what you want when something's going to be exposed to harsh outdoor conditions. The zipper and Velcro combination adds an extra layer of protection, helping to seal everything in while still being easy to remove when it's time for movie night. Installing the cover is straightforward. You just slip it over the TV, secure the bottom, and you're good to go. It's designed to work with wall mounts, which is a big plus. A lot of generic covers forget that detail, but this one accommodates those back brackets well. The weight is another bonus. At just around 1.11 kilograms, it's light enough to handle solo without struggling, but heavy enough to stay in place once secured. Shipping-wise, if you're ordering from the US to India, the import charges and shipping bring the total up, but even then it's a reasonably priced accessory for what it does. And it comes with Amazon's typical reliable shipping and return policies, so peace of mind is built in. To wrap this up, if you're someone who has invested in an outdoor TV setup, whether it's on your patio, by the pool, or in the backyard, then this Amazon Basics Outdoor TV Cover is a smart buy. It's durable, fits well, handles the elements, and is easy to use. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what product you want us to critique next. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.